Loosen and remove the water rejector at the bottom of the actuator. Loosen the screw in the activating ring. Pull off the activating ring. Loosen the bracket screws. Remove the bracket and bracket screws. Remove the connex pin. Pull off the coupling. Place the actuator in a press for removal of the end cap. Press down the end cap and remove the retaining ring. As the springs are uncaged, use caution when releasing the press. Pull off the end cap. Remove the O-rings from the end cap. Remove the piston. Pull off the O-ring. Remove the inner and outer springs. Remove the rotating cylinder. Pull off the needle bearings. Tap out the thrust plate. Remove the thrust bearing. Pull off the O-ring. Remove the needle bearings and the thrust bearing located inside the air cylinder. Lubricate the inside of the air cylinder and the thrust bearing. Fit the thrust bearing. Lubricate the inside of the air cylinder. Fit both needle bearings inside the air cylinder. Place the air cylinder on an auxiliary ring. Fit the O-ring on the rotating cylinder. Lubricate. Lubricate the thrust bearing and fit it in the rotating cylinder. Fit the thrust plate. Lubricate the rotating cylinder and fit the needle bearings. Fit the rotating cylinder in the air cylinder. Fit the inner and outer springs in the air cylinder. Fit the O-ring on the piston and lubricate. Adjust the rotating cylinder so that the needle bearings fit in the grooves on the piston Carefully fit the piston in the air cylinder. Fit the O-rings on the end cap and lubricate. Fit the end cap on the piston. Place the actuator in the press. Remember to fit the retaining ring loosely on the end cap before pressing down. Carefully press down the springs and end cap. Avoid damaging the piston. Fit the retaining ring. Release the press carefully. Fit the coupling on the rotating cylinder stem. The hole for the screw in the activating ring must be opposite the air release hole in the air cylinder. 135 degrees clockwise for the NC actuator and 225 degrees clockwise for the NO and air-air actuators. Fit the connex pin. Fit the bracket and bracket screws and tighten. Fit the activating ring and tighten the screw. Fit the water ejector. The water ejector must always be turned downwards to enable water ejection. As demonstrated, the LKB valve and the LKLAT actuator are very easy to maintain, and when this is carried out properly, you will retain reliable products characterized by easy maintenance, long service intervals, strong, reliable actuators, and optimum design with high-quality seals and valve discs.